Guys, are you looking for a full 1080p projector that has a ton of features for less than £250? Well, this is it. And it's coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, I am super excited to be reviewing this, the V7 Pro projector from Yaber. Now, first of all, I'm just going to say that Yaber sent me this to review. However, if you follow my channel, you'll know that whether I'm sent something or whether I buy it myself, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, I get it. You might be wondering, why do I need a projector? Well, I can tell you from my own personal experience that I used to travel all over the world. I'd turn up for business meetings, try to hook up my computer to the projector for a presentation, and you know what? It wouldn't work. It would hardly ever work, and in fact, most of the time, nobody knew how to set it up, get it working, or whatever, and that was the time that the call went out to the IT folks, and yeah, you know what? The response to that was, have you tried switching it on and off? Honestly, this thing would have been a godsend, as it's fairly light, comes in a backpack, so carrying it around is easy, and never mind about a computer, you can present straight off your mobile phone. So this is pretty cool. So, okay, we're not really traveling around as much because COVID certainly changed some of that landscape, but wouldn't it be great to get those Zoom calls done on a massive screen with all your family and friends visible rather than trying to crowd round a small laptop screen? So yes, these are but a few great reasons why you need this. And don't even get me started on gameplay. I mean, on a big screen, playing your computer games, pretty good. So let's take a quick look at the box. You have a screwdriver and some cleaning swabs, the instructions, an HDMI cable, a power lead, an AV cable, and that all-important remote control. Then we have the projector itself. As I said, it's really light, like 2.2 kilos or just over 4 pounds for the non-metric folks, and that's like a couple of bags of sugar. So okay, let's not use sugar because we get taxed on sugary drinks in the UK, so let's not use that. But seriously, super light, so easy to transport. Now, whether it's for a meeting that you're presenting at or whether you're going to take this somewhere else for like a big screen movie night, this is pretty ideal. Now, setup was pretty easy. I didn't try out all of the connection options, but I got the V7 Pro on my home network, and then I streamed a movie from both my iPhone and my MacBook. And you know what? It worked flawless. Okay, no pun intended, but if you could recognize the film, then you'll know what I mean by flawless. Anyway, then you've got the Auto Keystone 6D feature. Now that works really well. Now most of the time, if you move the projector or if you get a knock or a bump or something like that, you have to kind of go into the settings and readjust the keystone because it kind of knocks it all out. But the V7 Pro did it automatically, so that's a really nice touch. You just push the button, set it to automatic, and every time you move the projector around, it's going to reset itself. So let's talk about the picture quality. Well, I can tell you now there was no lag even in the fast moving action scenes. And there's also audio if you don't have a speaker or something else to play the sound from, but the built-in speaker was adequate. Now, if there's one small criticism, I would say that the fan noise is a bit loud, but you kind of get used to it. So, you know what? I do really like this projector. Now, I know we all get hung up on specs, so a few specs. You've got 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. You've got Bluetooth 5.0, so you can hook up this thing to both your network for streaming, as well as connect the projector to an access point if you have no other router, so you can use the projector as an access point, and that will enable you to stream content directly from your mobile device and those devices can be computers, smartphones, games consoles, and media devices. And the Bluetooth is nice because you could connect this to some kind of external portable speaker, and then you've got really good quality picture and really good quality sound. The V7 has also got 4-point auto 6D correction, which is pretty cool, like I talked about already, and you can reduce the screen size by up to 50%. So I don't have a particularly big wall. I've got a big wall, but not with enough distance to kind of throw the picture onto. So you can reduce the size of the picture if you've got a bit of a confined space. So this is good, and for the money, insanely good value. I just wish, like I said, I had a big enough plain wall to kind of show you how big this picture actually is, while staying clear and bright, because you know what, it is. And for less than £250 in the UK, you are simply not going to get much better value for this. So guys, looking around the back, you've got a couple of USB-A slots, you've got the IR receiver, you've got a headphone jack, you've got the socket for the AV jack, and you've got 2 HDMI inputs. So that's pretty cool. You've also got to the side the focus wheel, which enables you to obviously focus. And there's kind of like, if you unclip the side of it, there's a bit of an air filter as well. So that's pretty interesting. And you've got a nice cover on the front to keep your lens protected. So that kind of just clicks in and clicks out. So that's a neat little touch. You've also got underneath, you've got the 4 rubber feet, so that stops you scratching up any furniture that you might put this on. And you've got the adjustable front leg so that you can tilt this up in order to get the angle right. So guys, I could really go on and on and on about how good this really is for like 20 minutes if you wanted me to, but I'm not going to do that. Showing you all of the features of this would really take that amount of time. But you know what, maybe that's for another video. So guys, this kind of wraps up this quick view of this V7 Pro 1080p projector from Yaber. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And until then guys, I will put a link in the description with any relevant codes, discounts, whatever. So if you are interested in buying one, you can do that by just simply clicking on the link. And guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, it does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please consider subscribing. And click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to Yaber for sending me this V7 Pro projector. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.